If ants are marching all over your plants and you're sick of them destroying your garden overnight, then you're in the right place. Today's video is all about one powerful natural trick that stops ants in their tracks without harming your beloved plants. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow plant lovers, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss a single tip to keep your plants thriving. If you've ever woken up to find ants swarming your plants, or worse, eating them down to the stem, you know how frustrating it is. Ants may be small, but they can do major damage in just one night. And if you're just getting started with plants, this can feel like a total nightmare. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you a super simple, natural technique that completely eliminated ants from my plants. No chemicals, no expensive products, just stuff you already have in your kitchen. Let's get into it. Here's what you'll need. 100 grams of raw rice, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, yes, the kind from your kitchen, and a plastic bag. First, pour the rice into the plastic bag. Then, add the baking soda. Seal the bag and give it a really good shake and mix everything together. Now you might be wondering, what do rice, baking soda, and ants have to do with each other? Here's the trick. Ants are drawn to the rice, and they'll carry it, along with the baking soda, back to their nest. But baking soda is deadly for ants. It disrupts their internal chemistry, causing them to die shortly after ingesting it. To use it, just tie a knot in the bag, cut a small corner, and sprinkle the mixture along the ants' trail, away from your plants. The ants will find it, take it home, and that's the end of the problem. This method kills them at the source, the nest. And that's it. This is the exact method I use in my own garden, and it works every time. No more ants, just healthy, happy plants. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button and share this video with someone else who's battling ants. This is Natural Health Remedies, here to bring you the best natural solutions for your plants. Thanks for watching, take care, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video on how to get rid of pests with vinegar and baking soda.